Good morning. Today we are going to discuss on the topic Group 1 elements, which are also termed as alkali metals. What are alkali metals? Alkali metals are the elements that are present in the first column or first group of the periodic table. Elements such as lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium make up the alkali metals. Electronic configuration of alkali metals. Alkali metals usually have one valence shell electron and their electronic configuration is represented by Ns1. Alkali metals readily lose the outer shell electron to become monovalent ions with charge +1. This is the reason why they are termed as the most electropositive elements, and they are not always found in the pure state. The table depicts the electronic configuration of alkali metals. Atomic and ionic radii. Group 1 elements, that is, alkali metals, have the largest radii than any other element in the corresponding period. Alkali metals readily lose an electron and become cationic, whose radius is very much smaller than the neutral atom. Increasing order of atomic and ionic radii of alkali metals increases when we move down the group. Ionization enthalpy of alkali metals. Before moving to this, let us first learn what is ionization enthalpy. Ionization enthalpy or energy is the amount of energy required to remove loosely bound electrons from an atom. Ionization enthalpy of alkali metals decreases as we move down the group. Ionization enthalpy of alkali metals ranges from 124.3 kilocalories per mole in lithium to 89.7 in cesium. That is, ionization enthalpy decreases as we move down the group in alkali metals. Hydration enthalpy. Hydration enthalpy or energy is the energy change when 1 mole of gaseous ions dissolve in enough water to give an infinitely dilute solution. The value of hydration enthalpies are always negative. The hydration enthalpy decreases with increase in the ionic size or as we move down the group in alkali metals. Last but not the least, physical properties of alkali metals. The alkali metals are so soft that it could be easily cut through a knife. Alkali metals are grey solids with smooth and shiny silvery surfaces when they are freshly cut. Alkali metals even have a low densities as compared to other elements. Example, lithium and sodium could easily float on water. Alkali metals are also good conductors of heat and electricity. They even have low melting and boiling points as compared to heavy metals. Thank you.